Unarmed men fired gunshots at the residence of the editor of a Delhi Manipuri vernacular in the early hours today. Justice N. Koteshwar becomes the first Supreme Court judge from Manipur. Acting Judge of Madras High Court R. Mahadevan also elevated to the apex court. And security forces rescue one kidnapped individual and arrested 5 cadres of the proscribed outfit Kanglepa Communist Party, Nongren Khomba, in Thoubal district. Hello, you're watching IS English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinam, giving you the news in detail. Unarmed men who came in a vehicle targeted the residence of an editor of a Delhi Manipuri vernacular and attacked by firing gunshots in the early hours today. The attack was made after the withdrawal of security guards by the state government. Earlier, the editor, who was under threat from unarmed men, was provided security guards. The guards were withdrawn on June 5, 2024. The incident occurred around 12:20 a.m. at the residence of Khoirom Loya Lakpa, the editor cum publisher of the local Delhi Naharolgi Thaudang located at Kontha, Khabam, Lai Haraubam under Hengang Police Station in Imphal East. After firing around 6 shots, the gunmen fled from the scene, leaving damages to the residential gate of the editor. The editor was not present at his residence at the time of the attack. He was at his office located at Kaishampat in Imphal. Later, talking to the newsman, the editor stated that he does not have any animosity with anybody or organization. If anyone or outfit wants to talk in any matter, he is ready for a dialogue to settle the issue. After getting the information, a team from the Hengang Police Station along with bomb experts rushed to his residence and started an investigation into the matter. He further stated that he also complained with the All Manipur Working Journalists Union (AMJU) and Editors Guild Manipur (EGM), 2 powerful journalist bodies in the state, over the matter. No group or individual claimed responsibility so far. Police, however, state that a suo moto case was registered. Here is a telephonic interview of Khoirom Loya Lakpa with our executive editor.
Masopandi yahodre.
Hoy.
Adungarango pung baroga mi kun haitare nawalam da. 26 am adaida kangela kapsulam bazani the ghetto kharakan loan manebo.
Hoy tama.
Get to isum ikum na kogi contract rola magdina khaida mag yum chang to neba ta sheng namki de ai yum da halak pagi timing do yeng ga to neba adune ado yum dagi imong pina baroga min kuntra adu tare haiba tare adu de imong pina phone to re baba nang kai lege na ibe ma baba place ta le thabuk loidi lo shlak to re haga baba yum da hala no Nomayam kape ako'y damali, nomay ato ho mukunyam kape. Ako'y damali, ako juki na imong delere. Hala no, kamay tawi koli hanggang kangdi ako imong delere. Babalak ke kistoro kaya ba na dila ko no yam haiba. Ay stop singa toro ay yung da punna la ba. Toro kabado hapet lo singa ba amani taramaga. Although get to yaure togele yaukanda get to the no may makun mga trukay.
Hoy tama.
Aduga makade empty case. How you call the empty case of hindi pangaman police na laga yang empty case AK-47 gini hay AK gi empty case ni. Kape de AK ngakto wera mane.
Hoy tamo mare sida aina khangjaning ba mana tamo da hana masi threat kumba lakhiba leibra masi karamba kangbu no do jano.
Like I like I enemy like there.
Hoy.
Ako di professionally worked out the banini.
Hoy.
Ako sientan ba mission ati tika ama to ba the business ama to business ati press tagi lai be income khara juna enjoy to jaraga lei jabane
tamo asoi imung manungi lehori ba imung manungi mi sing aso pandi thoina yaubi haudrabra
aso apan yaubusi yautre amata yautre get ma pandai to bonina aduga ngasagi sangoi gi wal khara noi maru na pandai kai ba khotba khara adumaina lei
hoi
la idi 30 adigi 2017 da anoba set amala anoba bkp ko melai lakpadagi anoba set am lakpadagi hana piriba security gi mathak da IRB taruk amaga second IRB taruk amaga hapsalaga allai aduga civil command ohum amaga ju hapsale threat to yam wang ba threat oiba
hoi
ado adumaina leiram badagi handak June gi tang manga da aina paw ma phonge
hoi
kari paw haibada akogi ANM ko Indian News Agency amna thado paw adugi paw du he phong baga tang kumanga gi nungthinda aingoda piramba security do loina withdraw to khre adugi paw du phong bana maram oiraga ani suba point da security lo fokido nuaire khalemram di akol journalist security lo ina bade am nuaite akoi gi phangam thupa pau phangdaba yam yauri bane security leiramnina aduna kamai to ge da nuaire na khalakanda press ka ai thodo toroga halakpa nungdang pung 10 tabu sida aina ai press gi hanbal lambi samba sa khangdaba gari ani na ko tan tanarakpaneba
hoi tama
ai mamai ji ani rak leira sale ko senior editor sinda kutak edum pau pi tamo ai smai tong na masa khangda gari ani ne kutan tanare na yimda leiba ai san pi te ju bemba baba bemba khangda gari ani ne kutan tanare na pau pi ado ai na satori balambi ju da ai na khudung thi ban ga da boy mong du urak pati ai ji gari si mamai si utran ani rak leira kanda chat pa ju utran ani lei ge moy tan na leire ba
hoi
aduga masi last di ai press da pau piraga noi makhada ong to ler mo ai gari ani ne kotan tanare na harege press thokin mani
hoi
press or ko adoi de di mo inerektre ka bai le hoi no ka sampala da le hoi ka le ho khangre ba jung asa gi pakhat po ke bu gari du kan thau ne u bungam dre ba
hoi
aduga press lei bane press da ai kha mu se yum de khandana dum lei ko
hoi
aina yumda lerise nimit 10 nimuk sureba 10 days gumba sureba yumda lerise
hoi ta
ado adum press tagi theng hanba hanton sin to ai normal or money da so haki kari or so store ha bi wakhan ne ko na hangi de pung tara makai sida na hangi yumdi yo bune ba
hoi ta
ado ngarang di staff sukhra lakta ba
hoi
aduna maruina staff to lakne tangai fedana leite yadana pawdu lotion bau leiraga leibane ba
ngarang namadi ngasi ahing no yai da matung da thokiba thodok tugi matang da Iscom da pau pibirak pagi damta tamo hainingai leitena thagachari
Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal today announced elevation of Justices N. Koteshwar Singh and R. Mahadevan to the Supreme Court. Justice N. Koteshwar's elevation marks the first representation from the Manipur in the Supreme Court. He was initially appointed a judge of the Guwahati High Court in 2011. In 2013, Justice N. Koteshwar was transferred to the Manipur High Court. He was appointed as the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court in February 2023 and is due to retire on February 28, 2025. With his elevation, he will now have additional 3 years of tenure. Meanwhile, Justice Mahadevan is at present the acting Chief Justice of the Madras High Court. Security forces arrested 5 active cadres of an underground outfit along with caches of weapons and vehicles and rescued 1 kidnapped individual during the past 24 hours. According to a Manipur Police morning bulletin issued on Tuesday, security forces rescued one kidnapped individual and arrested 5 cadres of the proscribed outfit Kangleipak Communist Party Nongren Khomba. They were the kidnappers, and arrests were made in a successful operation at the hideout located at Khongjom, Tekjam Makha under Khongjom Police Station in Thoubal District yesterday. From their possession, the security forces recovered 4 9mm pistols with 10 live rounds, 8 live rounds of ammunition, 1 12-bore live round, 1 4-wheeler vehicle, and 7 mobile phones. The arrested cadres are identified as Konsam Rohit Singh, age 23 years, Yanglim Vikas Maitai, age 24 years, Thangjam Chanba Singh, age 27 years, Moirangthem Anand Singh, age 37 years, and Kaisham Nelson Singh, age 28 years. However, the identity of the rescued persons has been withheld. The arrested persons seized items and the impounded vehicle are now in the custody of the police. A case has been registered for further investigation. A combined team from the security forces conducted an operation and discovered a slew of arms and ammunition in the aftermath of the killing of a CRPF Jawan and injuring 2 others at Monbung village of Jiribam district of Manipur yesterday. In retaliation for the killing of 1 CRPF driver Ajoy Kumar Jha by suspected Kuki militants, the combined team of Manipur Police, troops of 39 Assam Rifles and troops of 87 Battalion CRPF carried out a cordon and search operation at Mongbung village yesterday. The operation terminated with the recovery of 1 M1 carbine rifle with 2 magazines, 336 live rounds of ammunition, 61 empty cases of AK rifle ammunition, 2 empty cases of 8mm ammunition, 9 empty cases of Insas rifle, 2 live rounds of Insas ammunition, 1 live round of SLR ammunition, 81 empty cases of 12-bore ammunition, 3 live rounds of 12-bore ammunition, 1 empty cases of pumpy ammunition, 1 bulletproof jacket without plate, 1 bag containing medicine and civilian clothes, and 2 firecrackers abandoned by the Kuki militants. The recovered items were handed over to the police for necessary investigation and legal procedure in connection with a case registered at Jiribam police station relating to the deadly attacks. In the firing incident that occurred on July 14, 1 CRPF driver Ajoy Kumar Jha, age 43 years, son of Harish Chandra of Maghupur, Madhubani, Bihar, was murdered. Further, 2 personnel of Manipur Police, namely SI K. Romendro and Rifleman Robindro, sustained splinter injuries and was admitted to Jiribam Hospital for medical treatment and is out of danger. Reinforcement of security forces led by senior officials rushed to the site and operation is ongoing. Combing operations will continue to apprehend the culprits involved in the incident. The police department is monitoring the situation constantly and senior officers are in the district to supervise the security arrangement and also the ongoing combing operations. Before we end, the headlines once again. Unknown men fired gunshots at the residence of the editor of a Delhi Manipuri vernacular in the early hours today. Justice N. Koteshwar becomes the first Supreme Court judge from Manipur. Acting Judge of Madras High Court R. Mahadevan also elevated to the apex court. And security forces rescue 1 kidnapped individual and arrested 5 cadres of the proscribed outfit Kangleipak Communist Party, Nongdren Kombo, in Thoubal district. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching IS News.